What if I told you that every move on a chessboard is a silent equation, and every equation in mathematics is a move waiting to be played? Welcome to Beyond Board, where we explore how chess shapes the mind, transforms lives, and influence not just how we play, but how we live. I am Mr. Tender Chess, the chess advocate. Today's episode tackles a fascinating question that has sparked debate over the time amongst educators, grandmasters, and mathematicians, which helps you understand the order the more: chess or mathematics. Does chess sharpen your mathematical ability, or does bringing an already developed mathematical ability to the chessboard make you a stronger chess player? Stay with me, because by the end of this episode, your perspective on both may never remain the same again. Let me start with this quote: chess is the gymnasium of the mind. What is a gymnasium? A gymnasium is where we train, where we build strength, where we prepare for performance. Now, if chess is the gymnasium, then what are we training for? Logic, pattern recognition, decision making, or mathematics? Let's begin with the first side of the argument. Does chess make you better in mathematics? The answer is yes, and in more ways than you think. Number one, pattern recognition. In chess, you don't just see pieces. You see patterns. You see the fork, you see the pin, you see discovered attacks. All these are recurring structures. The more you play, the faster you recognize them. Now let's compare this to mathematics. Algebraic patterns, number sequence, geometric relation. Mathematics is the science of patterns. So when a child plays chess consistently, the child unknowingly trains the same mental muscle used in solving mathematical problems. Number two, calculation and visualization. In chess, you constantly ask, if I move here, what happens next? If my opponent responds in this way, what is my best reply? This is calculation. Not just calculation, but multi-step calculation. You're visualizing moves ahead without touching the pieces. Now think about solving algebraic equations, word problems, geometric proofs. You must hold information in your mind, process multi-steps, and predict outcomes. This, my friend, is chess thinking. Number three, discipline and focus. Let's be honest, many students struggle with mathematics not because they're incapable, but because they lack the ability to stay focused and be patient. Chess trains you to sit still, think deeply, avoid impulsive decisions, because one careless move and the game is over. In chess, as in life, patience is the most powerful weapon. And this discipline directly translates into better performance in mathematics. Now let me ask you, if a child plays chess regularly, develops pattern recognition, improves calculation, and builds focus, won't that naturally improve the mathematical performance of the child? Hold your answer, because now we'll flip the board. Now let's explore the other side of the question. Does bringing an already developed mathematical skill to the chessboard make you a stronger chess player? The answer is yes, but in ways different from how you think. Number one, logical thinking. Mathematics teaches structured thinking. A equal to B, B equal to C, then A is equal to C. This kind of reasoning is critical in chess Because in the game of chess, you constantly ask, if I attack my opponent here, he defends here, which will definitely create weakness somewhere else. That's chain reasoning, a core mathematical skill. Number 2, understanding complexities. Chess is not just a game. Chess is a system. There are more possible chess positions than atoms in an observable universe. Yes, you heard me right. So how do strong chess players navigate these complexities? They simplify, they evaluate, they assign values. And that's where mathematics comes in. Piece values. Pawn equal to 1 point, knight equal to 3 points, queen equal to 9 points. Positional evaluation, probability of outcome. What's the probability that my opponent would respond in this particular way I want him to respond? If I give my opponent a free piece, what's the probability that he's going to capture it? These are part of the probability of outcomes. Mathematics helps you quantify the chessboard. Number 3, strategic structures. In advanced chess, players think in structures: pawn formation, spatial control, symmetry, and imbalance. These are deeply mathematical concepts. Even the chessboard itself is a coordinated grid. You have the A1, the B2, the G4, the H5, and all that. Chess could be said to be geometry in motion. So now ask yourself, if someone already understands logic, structure, analytical thinking through mathematics, won't it help the person to grasp chess concept faster? So here we are with 2 powerful arguments. Chess helping you to become better in mathematics and bringing an already developed mathematical skill to the chessboard, making you a stronger chess player. So now which one comes first? Which one is the foundation? It's not a one-way relationship, it's a loop. Chess and mathematics don't compete, they complement each other. They feed into each other. They sharpen each other. So now here's the loop. Play chess, improve in thinking, perform better in mathematics. Study maths, sharpen logic, play better chess. It's a circle of growth. The more you think, the better you play, and the better you play, the sharper you think. So now let's bring this closer home. Imagine 2 students. Student A, study maths only, practice equation, memorize formulas. Student B, study mathematics and play chess consistently. Who between these 2 students do you think will develop better problem-solving skills, stronger critical thinking, and higher mental resilience? Most studies and real-life experiences point to student B, because chess adds something that mathematics alone often doesn't, which is decision-making under pressure. I know chess players can relate with this. Now let's layer this with some powerful thoughts. Chess teaches you how to think, mathematics teaches you what to think. On board, you calculate possibilities. In mathematics, you prove them. A chess player sees the future. A mathematician understands why it happens. Let's do a quick rapid fire session. Does chess require mathematics? Not directly, but it strives on mathematical thinking. Wow. Can you be good at chess without mathematics? Yes, but understanding mathematical concepts make you better in chess. Can chess replace maths education? No, but it can powerfully support mathematics. Which should a child learn first? Both of them, side by side. You learn chess, you learn mathematics. You play chess, you study mathematics. Don't forget, both feed into each other. Both are not competing forces. Now here's the final answer to our big question. Does chess make you understand mathematics more, or does mathematics make you understand chess more? And the answer is both. But if we must lean slightly, chess has a unique advantage. Chess makes learning fun, practical, and engaging. Chess sneaks mathematics into the mind without any resistance. That's why you see some children bring mathematics in front of them and they are not interested, but bring chess in front of them and they're excited to play chess without knowing that they are also training the same mental muscle needed in solving maths problem. So next time you see a chessboard, don't just see a game. See a classroom, see a laboratory, see a battlefield of logic and imagination, because every move shapes the way you think. And remember, life is like chess. Every move matters. Think deeply, play wisely. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a student, a parent, a fellow thinker. And if you're building a future where minds are sharper and decisions are smarter, then you're already thinking beyond the board. This is Beyond the Board, where every move is a lesson. I remain Mr. Tender Chess, the chess advocate. Go play some chess. Until next time.